Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset your Motorola G2025 model. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing, you wanna force shut off the device by pressing the volume up and the power key for about 5 to 10 seconds. So press and hold those two buttons. And once the device is completely off, you want to press the volume down key, then the power to turn it back on. Once the device is on, it will take you to this menu right here. You want to use the volume up key to scroll down to recovery mode, then press the power key. The device will restart and it will take you to another screen. It's going to say no command. Once you get to this screen right here, you want to press the power, then press and hold it, then press the volume up key. It will take you to this menu. You want to navigate down to factory data reset, press the power key, down to the second option, press the power once more, and once it's done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for your support. I will see you next time.